In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily upload high quality videos or HD videos on TikTok app. So guys, I would show you the settings both inside the TikTok app and in your phone, Android or iPhone, whatever you have. Guys, first of all, open up the TikTok app and on your phone. Now let's assume that like you are tapping on plus and you simply record a video using the TikTok app and you tap on the stick right to it. Now you simply add music and tags, all that stuff mentions, then tap on next. And now on this page you would be able to find an option of more option. Tap on it, scroll down, and you would be able to find an option of allow high quality uploads. And by default it may be turned off, so all you have to do is to turn it on. It may take a longer to upload your video, but it would upload it to the highest possible quality. Now after doing this, you would have to go to the settings of your iPhone, scroll down, tap on camera, then tap on record video on the top. And right here, if the lower resolution is set like 1080p or 720p, make sure that at least select it to 4K 24 fps or 4K 30 fps, so that you would be able to record high quality videos using your phone, then upload it to TikTok. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.